Thank you for joining us for this video on Insider TPS, a call accounting software application from Interactive Voice Solutions Limited. Insider TPS is more than just a call accounting software application. It is a business tool. And in this video, I will demonstrate why Insider TPS can be used as a business tool to help you to make very important decisions regarding your business. Insider TPS displays a host of reports in both graphical and tabular form, and these colorful graphs can help you to spot trends and to inform your business decisions. The reports can also be downloaded into Microsoft Excel for further analysis and distribution to your staff or team members. In this particular report, this is the daily call totals report found in the summary report section of the reporting structure. And this particular report summarizes the total number of calls, incoming and outgoing, as well as the duration and costs for each day within the period. This report can then be exported into a line chart, which will help you to spot particular trends. In this case, the daily call totals report demonstrates the total for each day, and it shows you the total here: incoming calls, total outgoing calls, and total calls. Of course, you can use this to spot particular trends as it relates to internal or external marketing activity, promotions, etc. And you can use this to see how well those activities have been doing. In addition to this particular report, you can look at the hourly traffic for your organization. And in the hourly traffic report, it will help you to spot what your busy time of day is for both receiving calls as well as for making calls. This particular report shows the day broken down into 1 hour block, and here it shows the day broken down into 1 hour blocks. And this particular report, you can export it to a line chart or a bar graph. And here for this summary report, it shows what your busy time of day is for, in this case, incoming call, outgoing call, and total calls. And this particular report, the hourly traffic summary report, can be used to help to influence your staffing, answering the question as how do you schedule your staff for breaks, etc. In addition to the summary report for hourly traffic, you can also look at the destination carriers report. And this summary report will help you to identify the carriers for which you are spending most of your money. And in this case, it summarizes all the different carriers that the call activity for the period were processed by. And in this case, you'll be able to summarize what your total calls are and what your most used network is. Of course, you can use this to determine whether you need to add additional trunks or lines from a particular carrier on your PBX to make best use of least cost routing to minimize your telephone bill. In addition to the destination carriers found in the summary reports, you can also look at the incoming call activity for your business. And this particular general search will show you, if the PBX reports that information, it will show you the call duration as well as the ring duration for the calls that are coming in, and you can answer the question of how long your telephones are ringing before they're being answered. And this can also help you to measure your customer service and the efficiency of your business in terms of how the calls are answered or processed. The same can be said about hold duration. This particular report will show you how long your callers are placed on hold, and this can answer the question of customer service as well. In this case, we want to look for all the calls that were held over 30 seconds, and here we see a list of those calls. Of course, if a call is transferred, you can click on the icon and it will show you all the details related to that particular call. So you can track the call activity within your organization And this can help you. In this case, this call was transferred 3 times. So you can answer that question in terms of your customer service and how calls are processed within the organization. And maybe the person who answered the call first needs some additional training in terms of where to direct this particular caller. So of course, it's very important to your business. There are a host of other reports that can be used as a business tool within the organization. And if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at sales@ivsja.com. Thank you for tuning.